Good morning, gearheads. It is Lois with the Most, and I'm going to be working on my car today. So, after 14 years of service, this driver's seat finally has cracked, and I've contacted someone to come and repair it. The company I contacted, the owner and operator Tim, is willing to come to my place, remove the seat, repair it, and bring it back. However, I kind of wanted to be part of the process and just know what is going on with my own car. But just like my dad has always told me when we're working on cars, is that it's always the last bolt, clip, or anything that'll be the hardest to remove. And sure enough, it's still true today. Thanks, Pops. He taught me everything I know about cars and whatnot, and I do appreciate him. Love you, Dad. So this is the clip that was the offending one, and that was just to get the airbag cords to be released. Now I still have these clips to go. And I have success.